Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and today I'm going to review a weed eater for you guys. Several of you have mentioned watching the channel because you like to see how a single woman is doing things in the garden and in the yard, things that are more physically intense. So this little guy is my secret. Because sometimes my dad works long hours, he's not always available to do like the weed eating and things like that around the house that need to be done, and so it falls to us. Me and my mom. And so I was trying to weed eat with his big Husqvarna weed eater. I mean, like 30 pounds, and like I couldn't handle it safely anyway. And it wasn't safe. It wasn't a good idea. I was so sore after using it, and so we had to find another option. This is the Scott's 2.0 high capacity model. I love it. It's very easy for me to lift. As you can see, it's not heavy. I don't get really tired. I don't get achy and sore after I use it. As a woman, that's very important to have a tool that is very lightweight. I don't seem to have any problems with reloading it. It's very easy. When I went to reload the string in here, or I really don't even know what it's called, anyway. Ergo, you push the tabs on the sides, this pops out, you wind it around this, you pop it back in. I'm not very technical, I apologize for that, but it works and it's very easy to do. That's my whole point, is that this is very easy to use, to maintain. The battery life on this thing is only about 20 minutes. So I use this for about 20 minutes and then I put it on the charger, I do something else, or I rest, which is really good because I tend to be a person that pushes myself past my limits. And so usually when this thing dies, I am about to as well. So it's a good opportunity for me to go in the house, put it on the charger, get some water, and it kind of helps me keep pace with myself. Because I do have to let this charge off and on and do things in between, it takes about 3 hours to do our property, because to weed eat everything that needs weed eating and edging, because this does a great job edging as well, it just takes a really long time when you're looking at 15-20 minute intervals in between. But I like to do this in the afternoons and evenings. Like right now, I am weed eating around our house right now, and it's a wonderful tool. It means that I don't have to wait for my dad to be available to weed eat. It keeps the yard safer because I can see things like snakes. We don't have spiders up where my daughter plays, and that is super important to me as a mom. So if you are a mom that is either single, or you have a husband that's active duty, or that works long hours, several widows and older women with husbands that have fallen ill have also sent me messages just saying that tips like the raking leaves on a tarp like I did last autumn was helpful, and things like that. So I wanted to share this tool as a resource for any other women that have the responsibility of keeping their yard maintained. It's very easy, very light, and I have really enjoyed having this product. And so far I don't have any complaints. I do probably need to invest in an extra battery at some point so that I have one, but I will probably not use it in conjunction with this one because I really enjoy having the break in between while this is charging. So I don't know, maybe if I had one I wouldn't do that, and I would overwork myself. I don't know. So that's on the back burner for now, but it probably would be a good idea to have a spare just in case this ever dies. And it is easy to remove as well. You just, and stick it on the charger, and it's really simple. So I hope this helps you. I hope that you are inspired to get in your yard and do some yard maintaining. If you have a tool that is not fit for your size and your stature, it's not going to work out well, and you could be in danger as well. So this has worked out well for me. It keeps me safe. My yard is safer for my daughter to play in, and it's all around a great thing. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll catch you in the next video.